I have already connected the mobile screen to my laptop. Let's see how to do it. Now go to Computer Settings. At this time, the wireless display feature is not installed on your device. Now you need to install the wireless display features. After completing the process, you will need to restart your computer. Now go back to the computer projecting settings. Now change the settings like me. Turning on wireless display. Make sure the laptop and mobile phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network.